Welcome to Jambo. Before you start inviting members, let's customize your community by setting up your name, logo, description, time zone, and currency. This ensures your platform truly represents your community. To begin, log into your Jambo platform. On the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings. Click on it to open the basic settings screen. Here, you can update key details about your community, including the name, logo, description, time zone, and currency. Set a name for your community. This will be visible across the platform. Next, upload a logo to represent your community. This logo will be used across the platform and on your landing page unless you upload a different logo in the website builder. If you update it there and publish, the new logo will replace the default one everywhere. For best results, use an image with dimensions 200 by 200 or 300 by 300 pixels. You can also crop and adjust the image directly within the platform. Write a short and engaging description of your community. This helps both new and existing members understand its purpose and what they can expect. Now, select the time zone and currency based on your location. This ensures event schedules and payments are displayed correctly for your members. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save Changes. Your community's basic settings are now personalized and ready for members to join and engage. That's it! Your Jambo community is now set up with the right branding, time zone, and currency. You're ready to invite members and start growing your community. Want to learn more? Check out our next tutorial on inviting members to your community. See you there!